In this lesson, I will show you how to emit particles from the surface. So let's create a plane by coming to Polygon, Polymodeling, and then click on the grid. Okay, so I will scale it a little bit here and then move it up. Okay, so now I will go to FX tab and then I will go to End Particles and then I will click on the Emit from Object option box. Okay, so let's reset the settings. And here, if I leave the emitter type to Omni and click Apply, now let's hit play and see what's happening. As you see, I am creating an emitter on every vertex. So on every vertex, the Maya will create an emitter, okay? So let's undo that, or I can delete the end particle and I will delete the emitter too. Okay, so I will select that again. And now I will go to emitter type and I will change that to surface. So now if I hit apply, let's close that and let's hit play. As you see now, we are emitting the particles from the surface, okay? And if I click on the nucleus and if I set the gravity to 0, for example, and now if I hit play, you see the particles still moving, okay? The reason is because if you select the grid and go to the, I will select the emitter, and if I scroll down, you see here I have the normal speed. Because the normal of the plane is upward, and that's why the particle moving upward. So here you see I have the normal speed, right? So if I set that to 0 and hit play, as you see now the particles don't move. So let's set that back to 1. And now if I reverse the normal by going to modeling and then mesh display, and then I will click on the reverse. So now I reverse the normal to the downward, okay? So now if I hit play, now you see the particles going in this direction, okay? And let's go back and reverse it to the default, and let's hit play, and I will click on the emitter again, and here you see I have the tangent speed. So if I set that the normal speed to 0 and set that to 1, now you see the particles will move on the surface, okay? And as you see, colliding with each other, okay? Because we have the end particle shape. In the end particle shape, in the collision, we have self collide, okay? So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.